White's objective here is to make a living shape. So the eye space should just be big enough, but there's a weakness in White's shape, and that is this cutting point right here. So White needs to be a little careful. If White is not careful, by playing something like this, then Black can cut, threatening to capture these two stones, and White must respond by playing here, but Black can play number 4 in Sente, because this is Atari. And now Black will be able to destroy White's eye here with number 6. So this is not okay for White. But all White needs to do is to play here instead. Now, these 2 points are mi-eye, meaning Black can occupy only one of them, and White will be able to live very easily. If Black plays here, White can play this. If Black plays on the inside, then White can play on the outside. If Black plays here on the outside, White can still make an extra eye here with number 3. What about some of the other options, increasing eye space? In this case, it doesn't work, because Black can come in this way. If White connects, then Black will be able to destroy White's eye with number 4. And this will be a dead shape, no matter what, right? This will be a pyramid 4 shape when these 2 points are occupied by Black. If White tries this, then what should Black do? Playing on the inside doesn't work, because White can still live with number 3. Playing here seems like a key point, but it also doesn't work for Black, because White can make a living shape with number 3 here. So does this mean number 1 is correct? The answer is actually no, because Black can play on the other side, like this, with number 2. And White is actually dead, right? White cannot play this because Black will be able to capture these 2 stones with number 4. If White's number 3 is here, then Black can come in with number 4 here and destroy these 2 eyes. And last but not least, if White plays here, this is a classic bent 4 shape that is actually dead because it is on the side. So what Black has to do is to play right here, forcing White to play at number 5 in order to try to make 2 eyes, but it will fail because Black can connect from the outside. White cannot come in here because Black can capture right away. So the best White can try is to capture first, but now Black can come in at number 8, and this will be a fake eye. So White will be dead this way. So that is why number 1 here will also fail. So overall, not a very difficult problem, as long as you realize that there's a cutting point here that's a weakness for White, and White needs to take care of that. You should be able to find number 1 here pretty easily. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.